All right. Hey, everybody. Jeff here, East Texas ADV. Hey, I had talked about my loadout that I take when I go off-bike camping, and I just want to go over something that I ran across before we left. I tend to test everything out to make sure everything's good to go, because there's certain things you don't want to not have. Like, you want a flashlight that works, you want a good light with good batteries. And that comes to something a lot of people probably don't think of, and that would be your camp stove. I bought this off eBay. Yeah, I know, that should tell me everything I needed to know. It was 24 bucks. Well, what it is a Wado camping stove, okay? eBay special. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but when I fired it up before the trip, I wish I would have had this around. I'll be honest, it really caught me off guard. I've never had this happen. So my suggestion, get an MSR pocket rocket. Walmart even has the little teeny tiny pocket rockets for 16 bucks that screw directly to butane propane mix, okay? Screws right to the top. You can get feet for your can so it doesn't, flop around. I got this one because I figured it would be more stable. What is scary is, I know you guys are gonna get on me for this, I have used this to warm up my tent when it gets extremely cold. I've had it about a year and a half, maybe, year and a half. I've used this thing 4 times total. Well, let's just say the last time I used it, everything was fine. When I went ahead and tested it, when I went ahead and tested to make sure that everything was good, I got this nice little surprise. So I know I'm on particle board for my bench, but what's nice is the gas screws on right here, just like that. This is my gas adjustment level right there, okay? Then my striker is right here. So I'm gonna try and do this without getting my hair singed. But guys, stay away from this setup. Could you imagine what would have happened if I would have been camping this lit and God forbid there had been something flammable around the stove and I couldn't get this turned off quick enough? It's still June, so everything's still soaking wet around here. But if you get into a situation like August, September, a drought where there's a lot of dry stuff, I know you shouldn't use it on, fuel, potential fuel. You want to clear out a space, but you wouldn't expect this to happen right here. Are you guys ready for this? Yeah, I'm a chicken shit, okay? We're gonna turn the gas on. Hear it going? See that shit? If you look, it's leaking right there at the joint. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me try and see that right there? Moving that joint? Is that wild? Look at that. See, down there, it works like it should. You're good. But twist that thing? Yeah, it's not gonna do it. Look at that. That is dangerous, guys. That right there could get you hurt, start a forest fire. It could really ruin your trip. So test them, make sure they work like they should. I am going down and I'm going to buy a new stove locally, whether it be an MSR or the MSR type at Walmart for 15 bucks. And it takes up a lot less space. It'll go right into your camp set and you're good to go. So anyway, I just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention. Notice nothing caught on fire on the bench. It's not even singed, so there was no danger of catching anything on fire. So again, let's try this one more time. You barely crack it. All right. Look at that. It's working just fine. Just fine. Until, oh, look at that. See, it's not going to do it now. Ain't that something? Wow. That is something right there. But I'm still not going to use it. So you never know when this thing is going to act up. This right here will probably end up getting smashed because I don't want someone digging through the garbage and trying to use it. Why it's working now all of a sudden, man, I have no idea. That is wild. I can't believe it did that. Anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching till the end of the video. Take this with a grain of salt if you want, but honestly, I wouldn't feel I was doing my job in getting the information out there of the possibilities of how dangerous one of these little stoves can be. On my next video, where I'm going to go over what we do as far as when we go camping off the bikes, what I take, what I don't take, what I've learned in the past, and maybe we can share some information and help everybody enjoy their adventures a little bit more. Anyways, I just want to say thanks for watching. We are getting close to the 17,000 subscribers. If you haven't had a chance, help out, hit that subscribe button. It'd be awesome. I want to hit that 17,000 just so I can say, yeah, we did it. We did it. Anyway, thanks for watching till the end. And as always, ride safe and cook safe.